welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Out for Golf Nancy. So the other day we were doing freezer clean out just to see and rotate stuff and everything. Well, I put some things in the freezer about a year ago so that you know, when the freezer's low, you put things in so it'll keep it running the way it's supposed to. So I decided, let me see how well stuff lasts in the freezer. So I have this bag of brown rice, okay. Well, I had cooked some yesterday. I was like, okay, because I can use this up, you know. They can have the white rice and I'll have the brown rice and everything. So I'm cooking and, you know, according to directions. And I'm like, I smell something that doesn't smell quite right. So I go to the pan, stir it a little bit, and it's like, ooh, let me show you something. Okay. Oh, yeah. It turned out really nice. It did like it was supposed to. Well, nice brown rice. I can make stir-fried rice with it today because it's a day-old rice and everything. You know, it smells pretty decent. It smells like rice, you know. Spoon. It has freezer burn. Like, oh my gosh. Like, you're kidding me. Nobody can eat this. It's like, oh, the smell. It's like, it's kind of almost as worse as rotted food. I'm like, oh no. So, this bag of rice, I'm still thinking what I could do with it, you know. I'm like, oh goodness, I hate to throw away a bag of rice, but it's not edible. I mean, it really smells like freezer burn. I haven't tasted it, nor do I really want to taste it. Yeah, but you can smell it. So, if you put rice or other stuff in the freezer, just don't let it be a year. You know, put it in a jar. It's a dry good. Did it get wet? I don't think it did. I didn't see no like ice crystals or anything on the inside. But yeah, I'm not going. It's gonna have to be tossed, I guess. So the other things I had in there are these split peas. These are the lentils, and there's 3 bags of these. And I didn't see no freezer burns or anything with that. And then we have a bag of navy beans. So, and then we have some more bags of brown rice. Will I be testing them out to see how they turn out? Yes, I will. I'm curious. I'm really curious. Did they last in the freezer for a year? And if not, you know, it's alright. But yeah, I want to know, are they still good? I'll bring you along when I start cooking them and everything. But the rice, yeah, that bag of rice, that's a definitely no-go. It wasn't in a Ziploc bag. It was just kept in the Myers bag, and we stuck it in the freezer. But if you're in a pinch and your freezer's not full and you need a way to keep your freezer going so that, you know, till you get stuff in it, and if you're not going to use them, just throw them in there because that helps with the circulation of your freezer. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Out for Golf Nancy.